Hello friends, I am Dr. Abid Khan and sitting in front of me is Mr. Hara from Romania. He came to me with severe back pain and sciatica in his left leg with numbness. He was on very high power medications and he came to me for acupuncture treatment. Now in 5 days of acupuncture treatment, he is feeling very great relief. Now he will tell you in his own words about his experience about acupuncture. Yes, please.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you here. I want to thank to Dr. Abid for his treatment. I came here 5 days ago. I was very worried about my condition because I work on the ships and I didn't know if I can continue in such a condition, but Dr. Abid gave me hope and told me that I'll be fine after at least 5 sessions, which I agreed to make. One session was about 1 hour. I came here and for 1 hour I was enjoying relaxing, in the same time doing the therapy. First time for me when I do electroacupuncture. It's something new for me, but anyway, I trust that it will be good, and it is. I can say now that I have a very little pain, and I can work normally. Just a little bit numbness remained on my foot, and the pain is released by at least 50% comparing with the day I came here. I'm so happy that I trust Dr. Abid, although I never heard about him in my life. I'm just in transit in India and first time in this country.
Thank you so much.